In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Uber account. Losing access to your account can be incredibly frustrating, whether it's due to a forgotten password or other issues. But don't worry, getting back into your Uber account is straightforward once you know the steps involved, and I'm here to guide you through each one of them. First things first, let's navigate to the Uber website. Whether you're using your laptop or smartphone, simply open your internet browser and enter the Uber website URL. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the Help option, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Help will direct you to Uber's support page, which is specifically designed to resolve issues like password recovery and account access. Once you're on the Uber support page, don't feel overwhelmed by the options. What you're going to do next is click on the Riders section. This section provides help related to ride issues and account concerns. A quick tip here. If you're unable to immediately see the Riders option, it might help to search for it in the page's main navigation or use a search bar if it's available to expedite the process. The next action you'll take is typing in "forgot password" in the Help Center search bar. This will filter the help articles to show anything related to password recovery, making it easier for you to find the information you need. After conducting your search, choose the option that says "I forgot my password." Clicking on this will transport you to a detailed guide on how you can initiate the password reset process. Typically, this page provides a link or button titled "Request a link" to reset your password. Go ahead and click on that link. This will prompt Uber to send a password reset email to the email address associated with your account. Now check your email inbox for a message from Uber. It might take a few minutes to arrive, and don't forget to check your spam or junk folder just in case it's ended up there. In the email you'll find a secure link. Click on it to open the reset password page. Once you've opened the password reset page, you'll want to carefully type your new password into the input field provided. It's important to choose a strong password, one that's both memorable to you and hard for others to guess. Lastly, confirm your new password by typing it again in the confirmation field and then click on the update button. This will save your new password and restore access to your Uber account. Now you can log back in using your updated password and continue using the Uber services. And that's it. Recovering your Uber account can be as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Until next time.